Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 3 times t. So if I put this one go in here, you got about 3 times t squared. Number 3 and number 3, we can do about factorization. Times t squared plus 1, we change for secant of t squared. We simplify the square root, and later that we simplify with the s and s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about secant of t squared dt. So we put this one to here and this one in here. The s we change for this one. So this one we got about 3 times t squared. Number 3 and number 3, we can do about factorization. Times t squared plus 1, we change for secant of t squared. And this one, we got about the square root of number 3, and we have secant of t. Square root of number 3 and the square root of number 3, we simplify. Secant of t, we change for 1 over cosine t, and this one we change for sine t over cosine t. This one we change for 1 over cosine t squared. So we simplify cosine t and cosine t, and we got about 1 over sine t. And the square root of number 3 I will put outside. So cosine t squared multiplied by sine t. So I will put next to in here. Next, number 1, that's about sine t squared plus cosine t squared. So sine t squared divided by sine t, cosine t squared divided by cosine t squared. So we create two fractions in here. The first one, you got about sine t over cosine t squared, and the second one, that's about 1 over sine t. Now I will concentrate about this one. So this one we got about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to cosine t. Du, you got about negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative, so we put the negative next to du. So this one we change for u squared. Sine t dt, we change for negative du. The integral of this one you got about 1 over u plus c. About u, that's about cosine t. And the second one, we just already know that. So this one is about cosecant of t. And now we got the final answer. We have the square root of number 3 in here. We put in here. This one, that's about this one. The integral of cosecant of t, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotangent t. And we put about c in here. About t, we need to return back to this one. So we divide both sides of the square root of number 3. And we got about t equals to arctan of this one. So we need to replace t into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.